Hi guys and welcome back. This is actually the last presentation in section 2 and I've called it Doing It Naturally. Now although we are very early on in the course, already we do know a few things about detoxification. We know the body has several detoxification pathways such as your liver, your kidneys, your skin, your lungs, your digestive and your lymphatic systems, and this is how we detox ourselves of toxins and poisons. Although we can help our bodies to carry out this process, it's vital we utilise an holistic, homeopathic and natural approach to things. Getting enough quality sleep, ensuring we exercise regularly and managing our stress levels are all natural enough, but what about what we put into our bodies? It's vitally important whatever we put into our bodies, food or water, that it is as natural, clean and as organic as possible. All food and water that enters your body should be as free from heavy metals, microplastics, herbicides and pesticides as you can possibly make it. Now, I do fully appreciate that in these times this can be very difficult, if not impossible to achieve. But for the sake of your health and well-being, you should place significant emphasis on trying to make this happen, or at least get as close to it as you possibly can. Keeping things natural will help your body to detox much more effectively and efficiently. It also keeps your mind and body in a better state of health and your immune system strong and in balance. This approach also feeds and nourishes your detoxification organs. It keeps them strong and healthy. This ensures your detoxification pathways are clear, allowing them to break down, eliminate and eject poisons and toxins quicker and far more effectively. Whatever you do in life, you should always stay as close to nature as you possibly can. Although a trip to the doctor or pharmacy should be your very last resort, I'm 100% confident if you follow the tools and practices laid out in this course, the thought won't ever enter your head. You won't need to. So let's leave it there then for this section. We need to move on to section 3 now, which will talk about how the body breaks down toxins and we look at major organs involved in the detoxification process. However, firstly, I'd like you to review this section and go through the self-assessment and check your understanding before we move on. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the section. Good luck with the assessment and I'll catch you on the next slide. Bye bye for now.